Welcome to our exploration of national parks and biodiversity, where we journey through some of the world's most pristine natural sanctuaries, vital for preserving biodiversity and natural heritage. National parks play a crucial role in conserving biodiversity, protecting landscapes, and maintaining ecosystems that are critical for our planet's health and for future generations. These sanctuaries are home to an astonishing array of life. They serve as refuges for thousands of species, many of which are endangered or endemic, making national parks critical for biodiversity conservation. Despite their protected status, national parks face numerous threats. Climate change, illegal poaching, and habitat destruction are just a few challenges that put these precious ecosystems at risk. Yet, hope endures. Through dedicated conservation efforts, many national parks have become success stories, showcasing remarkable recoveries of habitats and species. Biodiversity is the foundation upon which ecosystems function. It supports everything from freshwater supply and fertile soils to climate regulation and the oxygen we breathe. Protection of these sanctuaries isn't just the job of conservationists, it's a responsibility we all share. Through volunteering, supporting conservation initiatives, and advocating for sustainable practices, we can all contribute to the preservation of our natural heritage. As we look to the future, our vision for national parks is one of expanded protection, increased biodiversity, and stronger community engagement, ensuring these natural wonders are preserved for generations to come. National parks and biodiversity, preserving nature's sanctuaries is more than a commitment, it's a legacy we leave for the future. Let's unite in preserving these irreplaceable treasures of our planet. We invite you to join the global conservation effort. Every action counts, and together, we can make a difference. Thank you for watching and for being a part of the solution.